In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a CSV file into a PDF. Now first, as you can see here, I have my CSV file. What you're going to do is you're going to open it and it will open up Excel. Now once you're in here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on File, go to Save As, and from in here you can see it's currently saved as a CSV file. Now what you can do is you can click on this drop down menu and you can select PDF here in the bottom. Now you can give it a new name if you want, or you can just keep this. I'll save it on the desktop, CSV file PDF. Now press save. Let it load for a little bit until it's done saving. Now that it's done loading, guys, as you can see, I have it saved here and it's now saved as a PDF file. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.